guys, it's Morgan, and today this is part 2 of how to sneak slime into class. So for part 1 we did how to sneak slime into class with a glue stick. So what we did was we stuffed slime into a glue stick, as you can see, and then we are not actually going to be bringing these to school because we're not at school, it's the weekend. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. We're gonna now. My school. Comment down below if your school does this too. But my school, it actually does this thing where you have Easter eggs. You bring Easter eggs, and then the big kids hide them, and then you hide them for the big kids. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take these, and we're gonna take one of the little ones. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take our slime, take some slime out. Now, this is the same slime that we used last time, and that's it's actually really sticky too. So like last time, oh, and if you didn't see part 1, I'll leave it in the description below and the iCard above. So it will also be there. So make sure you go check out the iCard. So we mix the baking soda in. Now we come over here. We have a few drops go on our hand. Our slime is perfect. Well, it's not sticky anymore. Last time it was really sticky because I added a bunch of water one day for some reason. I don't know why I did that, but yeah. Boom. There. So we got our egg. Slime, so that was this one. So we have these two. This one is more lighter and this one is more heavier. This one is full of to the top with slime, so but this one is it's filled up halfway. You can see that, guys, you can see the little stick. But let's look at the last one. Yeah, you can actually make it a swirl by twisting the whole thing. Too. So, see guys, I made it like a little swirl. There. It's on my way. Piece of foam. Okay, so that's made in part 1. This is part 2. So this video was kind of quick, but for all the other videos, you guys are gonna watch me activate this one. So we don't want to make the video. It's already been 3 minutes and 47 seconds. I'm gonna have you guys help me activate it. Bum, ba-da-da. Da-na-na-na-na-na. Okay, that's good. No. Die. Ah! Baking soda came bursting out from it. So let me get baking soda. Baking soda can. Okay, there. Not a can box. I'm not using a can, guys. See? I'm using a box. Baking soda box. Okay, baking soda's going everywhere. Boom. And now what we need to do, okay, that just made it horrible. Now, what an activator. Boom, boom, boom. play with what we just made. I'm gonna go play with that. So we're gonna play with it for a minute or two, and then we might wrap it up. I don't know yet, guys, but let's do this. And so put this back in. It takes a minute to put it back in, actually, so put it back. Is it released? Ah! So, this is part 1 of this live. This is part 2. Comment down below which video you liked best. And part 3 is coming up soon. Yeah. Boom. This egg actually looks like a real egg. This egg's actually come in this color. But eggs actually come in that color. So it actually looks like. Here, guys, I'll show you. Oh my. You guys barely can't. Okay, we're shutting that for a minute. Oh my gosh, guys, I'm not trying to blind you, but look. This is the egg. The egg. So, that's the egg. So you guys can sun me. You guys can't even really see me. These open. So, real egg. Looks like a real egg. Actually, it's full slime, so yeah. Bye, guys.